All right, good morning, everybody. Markets is in the uh, hangover mode after a couple of days of really big sell-off.
Hi, thanks for watching my video. My name is Andrew Aziz and I'm the author of How to Day Trade for a Living. In this channel, I'm showing my daily trades on the US stock market. I hope that you enjoy the videos. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and welcome to my channel.
Today's kind of stabilized. It's a little bit above the previous day close, but not crazy down, not crazy up. So I trade two trades, TQQQ and Amazon, both of them very nice. A little bit of profit here, and I'm ending my day. And I still have these, bigger positions on SSO and JEPQ that are kind of back holding right now. See for potentially for market bounce. But that's how financial market is. If you want to invest in financial market, you have to stomach the volatility. This account was up $200,000 and now it's down $100,000. It's just the nature of the volatility of the financial market is that you have to really stomach this. If you can't, you have to go to real estate or something that doesn't have that much volatility. So let's end this day with 5,600, but let's take a look at the trades that I did. So TQQ was the first trade that I did. Actually I did 3 trades on that. So opened the strong, squeezed above the VWAP, and I thought that actually QQQ is popping. I went long for a 1 minute opinion range breakout. We did pop up, sold some, and then I got stopped out at the break even. It did came down. I went back up long. This time a smaller size because I wasn't really 100% sure that this is gonna trade. And then I got stopped out, came back up. I went long again. This time heavy size, and then popped up all the way up to 35.15. And as you know, a lot of people know, this is my trade management. That is very, very important. When you actually put a stop loss here and you start partialing at 2R or 1R, you bring your stop loss at the break even. You do not let your trade that is already partialed out get negative. Same as here. So this is also same happening. I started partialing and then I got stopped out at the break even. So that was 2 trades. Well, this one worked. This one worked very nicely as well. And then this one was a loss, which was a smaller size because I wasn't really confident on that trade. So that's TQQ, and then we're gonna go to Amazon, and Amazon was also a very nice trade that I took, and a couple of other traders in the chat room also took that. So Amazon was gapping up a little bit, traded above the VWAP, really came down, came up, and then I started seeing big asks are stacking up, and that's usually a bullish sign. What I did is I took that trade like an ABCD pattern. I went long Amazon 126.20 and then popped up for the break of this very important level that we had, 126.53, partial that, and continued going all the way up to 127.38. And then as I mentioned, when you come down here at the break even, you get stopped out. So it's very important. Let me show you the level 2 signals that I actually get. So it's very important to take a look at them. Again, at 9:45, when I went long here, you see that the asks are stacking up. It's not a crazy signal, but 66 lot and 11 lot here. So again, look at the time, 9:44.51. When I went long, we saw that these asks here are sitting here at 127. And again, look at the timestamp. Very important. I want everybody to look at the timestamp. 9:44.51. Look at that. And 9:45.15. Boom. We are 20-30 cents above the VWAP. Again, these asks when they are stacking up means that the price is expecting up. 9:44.25. Again, just continue going up. And again, another one we have at 127.23. Do you see that here? 127.22. There's 81 lots. That's 8,100 shares because each lot is 100 shares. And again, boom. Once 1 minute later, then we're popping through that, and again, asks are stacking up. So it's a very, very bullish sign. That's very, very important in scalping. So that was the Amazon trade. And again, as I mentioned, pretty good solid day on both of them. And I'm ending the day. And so that's one thing. Then Apple was one of the trades that we saw that really selling off at the open, and I really wanted to take a reversal on Apple. Really, we had this 1741 level that I like to show you on the daily chart how we get it. So if you come down on the daily chart on Apple, you see that around May 17 and around May 24th, more importantly around this area, May 1st, we had some couple of really nice bounces around this level. But however, what I was expecting is that I was expecting it to get it to S4. S4 is a little bit of a better trade. that I have it on a 5-minute chart. So again, if I remove all of this level, we had this S4 at 170, 197, essentially 170.20. I really wanted to get this one. I knew we have this 170.40 level, but I said, yeah, as soon as it touched S4, I mentioned that in chat, I'm going to go long on that because really, sold off for about half an hour. It was really due for a bounce, but I never got that. Brian took that trade, unfortunately, and then the bounce happened and he never really get to S4. And sometimes it happens. Sometimes it's like that you have to be patient and you're not getting. I even got my option call. I wanted to get an option trade on that. I even opened the options chain. I was ready to take that options at 172.50 instead of buying positions. I wanted to really buy calls at 172.50, buying about 80 cents and see this huge bounce that happens, but it really didn't get that. So one way of you doing the trading is that when you want to take it the reversal, you can actually buy the call options a little bit out of the money. Gives you the most very nicest move. So as you see, it would have been a very nice trade, but we never got that, unfortunately. So that was unfortunate, but I know a lot of people in the chat room took that trade. I know Brian took that trade as well. And another trade that it was really nice, I called it, but I didn't take it trade, was AMD for the break of 98. AMD was a really nice pop, bounce back, and now it's moving up. So it seems that market really doesn't want to go much lower today. As you see, Qs also did a really nice V reversal at the previous day close. So Brian, how was your trading?
Yeah, no, it was okay. I mean, you went over a lot of the trades that I did too. I tried Amazon at the open. I kind of got stopped out on it. I was trying to see if it would drop. And then I took an NVIDIA long right at the open and it worked out okay. So, but yeah, the Apple trade was good and the Amazon trade that you talked about earlier was good as well later in the session. So yeah, overall, not a bad day.
Awesome. Yeah, excellent. Thank you so much. It was great. Yeah, your Apple trade was really something that
we talked about that setup for quite a while and just waited patiently for that level to come, that price to come down to that level.
Awesome.
So that was amazing.
And today, guys, Randy Howe is one of my favorite coaches and psychologists. He's going to have this webinar, The Secrets to Becoming a Consistently Profitable Trader. Obviously, consistently making money in the market is hard. This is a high-performing field and it's really difficult to make consistent money. Everybody can make money immediately, but getting the consistent return is very important. So, feel free to join, guys. Come online, guys. Push yourself. If you're not really in Europe or something that the time is bad, push yourself, come in live. You're never going to watch this video again. We're producing, tens of hours of webinar every week. You're never going to catch up with that. The only way, guys, that you can actually benefit from it is to push yourself to come to do that. Everybody has work, everybody has family, everybody has something, but it's just push it yourself. As I mentioned again, it's just to have the mindset of pushing. Like, I go to Burning Man, I said to my friends, hey guys, come to Burning Man, see how amazing it is. And say, I have work to do, I gotta do. Well, dude, I'm not homeless, I have work to do too, but I push myself. I go, you have to just make time for the things that help you, and I'm sure this webinar is going to help you, but you got to come. The fact that there is a webinar available in the education center doesn't mean anything. You're not going to watch it ever again. Hey guys, so that's tonight's webinar. We're going to watch that, hopefully see that, and looking forward to see Peak Capital Traders, guys, tonight in the webinar. All the best and ciao.